Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine at home. This is Sabiha Sultana Shoshi, your English teacher with you, and welcome you all to the English class. Today we will start English first paper. Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, can you see the picture? Can you tell me what's the picture about? Well, it's a picture showing different kinds of activities, isn't it? Like watching television, listening song, reading books or newspaper, playing cards or basketball, playing guitar or piano, doing exercise or swimming, etc. And when do we usually do these activities? Okay, in our free time or leisure time, right? And these activities or leisure time activities are very important to remove our monotony, right? And today we will start a unit that is based on leisure, that is Unit 6. And today we will complete lesson 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let's start. So let's see what's in lesson 1. You can see a picture of lesson 1 from your textbook, and there is a passage, and the passage is about Zishan's daily routine. So let's see what's in his routine. Let's read it. Okay, 6:30 a.m. wake up, 7 a.m. breakfast, 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. school, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. snack and free time, 5 to 6 p.m. study with maths and science teacher, 6:15 to 7:15 study with English or social science teacher, 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. homework, 8:30 supper, 9 to 10 p.m. TV, 10:30 p.m. go to bed. On Friday, Zishan does not go to school, but he studies on hour with his religious teacher. He also studies his school subjects by himself. Often, he goes to visit his relatives with his parents. So, this is the routine of Zishan. Okay. And from lesson 1, we have got information about Zishan's daily life, his routine, and we learned that on holiday he studies on hour with his religious teacher, studies school subject by himself, and often goes to visit relatives with his parents. So these are the activities. But did you notice that there is no playtime in Jishan's routine? Did you notice that? There is no playtime in his routine. What do you think? Is playtime necessary? Okay, the answer must be yes, right? Yes, playtime or leisure activities are very important to remove our monotony. These are very helpful. But playtime is missing in Jishan's routine. Okay, this is lesson 1, and let's move on to lesson 2. This is lesson 2. You can see the picture of lesson 2. Oh, it's a poem, and its name is Leisure. It is written by William Henry Davies. So let's read the poem, okay? What is life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows, no time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night. A poor life this is, if full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. Oh, it's a very nice poem, isn't it? And did you notice one thing, that almost every line, the poet wrote that we have no time, no time, no time, and no time to see. Actually, he's talking about our busy life where we don't have any time to see all the beautiful gifts of nature, and we have no time to stand beneath the boughs, or no time to see the woods we pass, or to see the broad daylight or stream of stars at night. Okay, but it's very important to have free time, and we should spare some moments and to look at the nature and natural beauty that spread around us, right? In lesson 2, we read a very nice poem by William Henry Davis. He is an American poet. And what are the themes? What are the theme of this poem? What do you think? Yes, these are nature and natural beauty and our busy life, our busy world. These are the themes. And what is the synopsis or what is the summary of this poem? Well, it's a simple yet beautiful and thought-provoking poem, right? And the poet is telling us about our hectic life. We have no time to admire the nature around us, and in this poem, the poet wonder whether it is earth-leading life which provides no time for leisure. So this is the synopsis, or this is the summary of the poem. And there is a message of this poem. So what do you think? What's the message? Can you tell me? Okay. Actually, it's important to have free time, and we should establish a firm contact with nature to lead a happy and diverse life. We should also appreciate the smaller thing and happiness in our life. So this is the message. And really we should appreciate the small thing or small happiness in our life. Okay, so this is the poem. It's really a very nice poem. And so let's move on to our next lesson, that is lesson 3. What are they doing? Let's see what are they doing. Well, you can see the picture of lesson 3 from your textbook. There are some pictures. There are some pictures here, and the pictures show the activities of children. And in B, there are 4 clues, and you have to match the clues with the picture. Okay, so let's read the clue. Number 1, young children play this game on the ground. The ground is marked by a set of joined squares. Each child throws a stone into a square, then hops, jumps on one leg and jumps along the empty squares to pick up the stone again. They play this game in turn. So what do you think? What would be the picture for this clue? Yes, it's option D, or picture number D. Okay. Number 2, some children are often glued to computers. They often upload their pictures or messages onto the Facebook. They can also download pictures or messages. So what would be the picture? What would be the picture for this clue? Yes, it's picture number A, or option A. Number 3, children often watch football matches of both national and international teams on TV. So what would be the answer? Yes, it's option C. And finally, number 4, children often play football in the school playground. Yes, it's option B. So this is the matching, and we have some keywords in this lesson like glue to. It means giving all attention to something. And upload. It means transfer information data to computer system. And download. Download means copy data, information, etc. from one computer system to another. Now, city activity and rural activity. See the picture again. Okay, from this picture, can you tell me what are the activities that usually do the children of city in their free time? Okay, the activities that are done by the children in city. Okay, you know the answer. The answer is option A and C are the activities that the children in city often do in their free time. Can you tell me more activities of the children in city? Okay, they go to the restaurants, multiplex or park in their free time, and sometimes they play with gadget or electronic things, right? Actually in city, we don't have playground, though we have other facilities, but the scenario is totally different in village. The children in village or the children of village have the option and choice to play outside. Okay, so option B and D are the activities that the children in village often do in their free time. Can you tell me more activities of them? Okay, they sometimes go for fishing or they play different kind of traditional games like golla chut, hadudu, etc. So this is lesson 3 and we have completed lesson 1, 2 and so what have we learned today? Okay, today we have learned about Zishan's daily life in lesson 1 and after that we read a nice poem about our busy life, the beauty of nature and importance of leisure, and the name of the poem is Leisure and it is written by William Henry Davis. And after that, in lesson 3, we learned about the free time activities of children in city and village. There are some writing activities in worksheet which is already uploaded in the school website and I will request you all to complete the task. So that is all for today. Thank you for being with me and hopefully see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay well.